says Blackie's sleeping. Blackie, are you a good girl? Huh? Are you a good girl? Are you gonna show us some tricks? Huh? Come on, let's go see. Let's get some tricks. Yeah. You wanna get some tricks? Alright, come here. Sit. Sit. That a good. Shake. Shake. Oh, that a good girl. Head back. Sit. Down. Down. Ah, good girl. You want a treat? Huh? Come on, let's get you a treat. Come on, girl, let's get you a treat. We're gonna go in here. We're gonna get you a treat from our treat dish. Alright, what's down in there? Ooh, it looks like treats. Hear it? Oh boy. Alright, let's get you in some light. Come on over here, girl. Come on. Come on. Come on. Yeah, good girl. Alright, you gonna ready to catch? Huh? Ready? Catch. Oh, you missed. Oh my goodness. Is he gonna eat all that stuff? Or are you gonna eat all that stuff? Huh? You the good girl? You the good girl? Okay, sit. That a girl. You like to wag your tail. Huh? You the good baby, yeah. Down. Down. Come on. That a girl. Stay. 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 Good girl. Good girl. Good girl. Yeah, it's a good baby girl. Yeah, come on. Where's your ball? Blackie, where's your ball? Yeah, that's not your dog dish. Come on, let's get your ball. Where's your ball? Huh? Where's your ball at? You don't know? Alright. Well, that's pretty good, huh? Yeah. You the baby? You the baby? You the baby dog? Okay.